Are you looking for product number Horse Weathervanes? Are not just functional tools for determining wind direction. They are also statement pieces that add charm and personality to outdoor spaces like gardens, barns, and rooftops. Whether crafted from pure copper or durable iron, each Weathervane offers a unique blend of aesthetics. Product 1. Good Directions Galloping Horse Pure Copper Weathervane. The Good Directions Galloping Horse Pure Copper Weathervane is a premium product designed for those who value craftsmanship and durability. Constructed from hand-polished pure copper, this Weathervane exudes elegance while offering exceptional weather resistance. Its single-point contact design ensures smooth rotation, making it highly functional even in windy conditions. The inclusion of an adjustable roof mount simplifies installation, while the lifetime warranty speaks to its quality and reliability. Performance-wise, this Weathervane stands out for its precision and durability. The copper material resists rust and develops a beautiful product. Black Metal Weathervane. The Vest CDF Black Metal Weathervane offers a galloping horse design that blends rustic charm with functionality. Made from high-quality iron with a matte black coating, this Weathervane is both weather-resistant and visually appealing. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it versatile for installation on sheds, barns, or patios. The simple screw-based assembly ensures that even novice users can set it up in minutes. While the Vest CDF model performs well in light to moderate winds, its smaller size and lighter weight, 14.4 ounces, may limit its effectiveness in more extreme weather conditions. The black matte coating provides a sleek look. Product No. Superdant Horse Weathervane for Roof Mount. The Superdant Horse Weathervane is a versatile and decorative option for gardens, patios, and barns. With its copper-colored iron construction, this Weathervane combines durability with a traditional aesthetic. The tapered pointer ensures accurate wind direction readings, while the included garden stake simplifies installation. Its medium size makes it ideal for smaller outdoor spaces. This Weathervane excels in ease of use and visual appeal, but its lightweight construction, 1.85 pounds, may not withstand harsh weather conditions. The directional arms require careful alignment during installation to ensure accuracy. Priced at $21.49, it offers product more. Horse Weathervane Roof, 26-inch height black metal. The Beigneton Horse Weathervane features a running horse design and is constructed from rust-proof metal, ensuring long-term durability. Its whimsical silhouette adds charm to gardens and rooftops, while the interchangeable topper designs allow for customization. At $27.79, this Weathervane is an excellent mid-range option for buyers seeking a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. The Beigneton model performs well in various weather conditions thanks to its sturdy construction. However, the lack of a warranty may be a concern for some buyers. Its easy installation process and versatile design make it suitable product. No. Superdant Plow Horse Weathervane Animal. The Superdant Plow Horse Weathervane is the most budget-friendly option in this comparison. Priced at just $19.79. Featuring a charming plow horse design, it is crafted from black iron for durability and weather resistance. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to install on rooftops, gardens, or sheds. While this Weathervane is an excellent decorative piece, its performance in strong winds is limited due to its lightweight construction. The directional arms require precise alignment for accurate readings. Despite these limitations, its low price and aesthetic appeal make it a great choice for casual users or those on a tight budget.